Kanegade gadu dashin Meghalaya ban ngipiliang sa ubhay pi baro siya kanega tup kubor mataga janmit. Siya ban pash ki kubor ki babanya nganya petchway ki mat bakong san. On one ra ka sarkar ikading persyang ban bu di kinong nyalam kai nakabenta kinong wan jengok kai pertay neki tourist body ong menteri ketenat kekuat ketia ubah Paul Lingdo. Kasorkar kadon kebenta ke bakong san ha kaban penek pensa ya ka ong u Dr. Rajendra Singh. Temu kasorkar ban tray radba ban ai gejing sumar kabala ban kotbo da baro kitu kibayo i gejing pam bampong ong ka menteri ketenat kekuat ketia ikong MP Lingdo. Untuk kesorkar seketenat tikam yadari ha Delhi kerpat mengai jaka ban penting dia yaki live spa sau anwut kinong yem. Bat ka West Jaintia District Table Tennis Association telah penlong liga table tennis competition hak yang nangba Indoor Stadium. Ki kubor ki babanya menteri ketenat ki kam jengok kai perthai uba Paul Lingdo ula pentip baka sarkar kadon jingmut ban bu yaki nong yalam kai neki tourist buddies na kabenta ki nong wan ban jengok yaki jaka jengok kai ki bapau ban ai jing kersan ban yalam bat ban batai syapang ki jaka jengok kai ba itenat ha kajuk kapor ban don ka jing sngan bat ka jing sngaw tenat yaki nong wan kai haki ar lai banai ban wan ka sarkar kanyate bat kisan pongut ki nong yalam kai neki tourist buddies ki banyarap ki nong wan jengok kai ha ka jella ha ka wei pat kaliang ha ba kali syapang ka jing yathut ha padeng ki nong nya kali tourist ka azam bat Meghalaya ula ong ba ka sarkar kala thau ya ka committee bat ki jing kren ki dang ya chakman.
These tourist buddies will be stationed at major tourist destinations where there is maximum footfalls to ensure that they are given support, they are guided, given an insight into a particular destination that they visit, and also they will act, give them the welcome smile that Meghalaya is known for, and give them that sort of sense of friendliness and security.
Ka kadesisha ka jingim tang nakabenta ki jing thung jingtep bat kimrat Henry nakabenta ki briru kumju ka kade ki jing don kam bakong san ban ong u Dr. Rajendra Singh ya ubalatip kum u waterman ka India uni briu batray ban penek pensa ya ka bat ya ka Mariang Saudong Saukun na Alwar district jong Rajasthan ulawan ha Shillong banya shimbenta ha ka program balatip kum ka India Responsible Tourism State Summit and Award Arhajar Arhusau. Habakren bat ka Didi News Meghalaya u Dr. Singh u badai u Dr. Ulaban syapang kawe ke jingjia. Ha ka ba uwe brie u bom nang tho nang pule na kawe ke snong ula penlong ya u ban kelyang no ya ka kam. Bat penlong ya u ban long unong persyang ban penne ya ka Nakabenta ban weng ya kijing ki biadai bat kijing kerdo ha Rajasthan u Rajendra Singh ula pen sapriang ya kijing tip syapang ki rukom penne pensa ya ka Ula penpau baka sarkar kadon ka kamram ka bakraw ban wan ra jing job ha ka rukom ban penne pensa ya ka
What a lot of people displaced and nobody living in the village. So I reach and I start the treatment of the pupil because the pupil is sick. So after the treatment, one old man told me, we don't need your medicine, we don't need your education, we need water. So he teach me in 2 days and I learned from old man. He's an illiterate old man, but he completed my 2 PhD in 2 days about water. 1 PhD in geohydroscience, understanding of the underground aquifers, and the second PhD in natural engineering. So I learned from him and I start the water conservation.
Imentri ketenat kakot kekia ke sorkar jelai kong amprin lingdo ila penpau ke jing sngokia halor ke jing kio jong ki brio ki bayo ke jing pang bampong hakeleng ke India khamtam hakathan chte lam mingi da ka ba penpau ru ya ka thong jong ka sorkar ban pentikna ba baro ki brio kin yo ya ka lat ban phat test bat hakador ka baduna haba ajing kren haka FICCI roundtable for the northeastern region ikong lingdo ila banjur halor ka thong ban penlong ya ka lawe ka balat na ke jing pang bampong Kajing temu jong kane ke program bala penlong da katenat ka kuat ke khia ke sorkar pedeng kalong ban thau ya kisien jam ban penyo ya kajing sumar ya kajing pangsha baro.
Our government, in the leadership of our cancer team headed by Dr. Anisha, are really battling with opportunities of technology to make sure that the people of the state of Meghalaya at least have hope. We need to figure this out. We need to see how we can build future generations who can be cancer-free, who will not succumb to the pressures of lifestyle, and who can have a better life, not just for themselves, but also for the children that they bring into this world.
Kasorkar Jilla Meghalaya katmu ban tho shakabor penyat ikikam yadari ha Delhi ban kirpat yaki ban ai ke jaka ban penken ria yaki lai spa saupu arngut ki long yeng na tham yong molong u chief secretary ke Jilla uba DP walang ula pentip syapang kane da ka baong bahaga jingalang bala penlong dangshen bat ka kinhon jong ka Harijan Panchayat Committee ringkat bat ka kinhon jong ka Shiromani Gurudwara Parbandhak Committee ha ka balaya kren syapang ka jing sngokia halor ka jing tmu jong ka sorkar ban pen prano ya ka Gurudwara ka badan ha Harijan Colony ha ka ba kite ki kinhon ki sngo e ban pediang Haka jinga kren ke belane la slembha bat ka sorkar jella kila kentu ya ka sorkar bakan wat iki weipat kilat kilinti.
A message that it'll be very difficult for them to accept the proposal of the government to dismantle the Gurdwara, which is located in Harijan Colony. So we had a very long discussion on that, and after about a couple of hours of discussion, we decided that we will write to the defense authorities to maybe, if possible, allot some land next to the Harijan Colony, in which the government will then not spend any money for developing the colony. They will spend on their own. So the government will save a good amount of money from that instead of shifting them to European ward. That is number one. And then if that land is made available to them, then the Gurdwara can also stay over there. So whatever balanced land is available, the government will take over that land and develop it.
Kaseng BJP kalaong baka yang nakabenta iway pa iway inong song jong kari, but omtang nakabenta ke way kajat benriu. Kinong yalam kaseng BJP kum uba AL hek baruba M karkrang. Kilaong baka seng kampersya ya kino kijat benriu, da kaba benrap, bakino kijing tmu, da kino kikinhon ban penlong ya kajing yat patba ha shelong, persya ya kajing short do ya kimasi day ban persya. Ulaong ru ba mano ru kila ban ya chakmat halaka jinget jongki Henry Kim day pat ban wanra ya ka jinge pair jingmun.
Anybody want to propagate their own faith, it is free to own faith, but not by bringing the misunderstanding. That is our stand. It is a pro-Hindu party. BJP is the party of all the citizens of India. Is all the citizens of our country. They are not only for particular sects or particular community or particular sections of people. This is the party of all the whole country and a party for all people residing in our country.
Ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society ringkat ka jinget lang bat bun ki kenhon ki batray ya ki jo ki kam kila penlong ya ka National Voluntary Blood Donation Fortnight State Level Observation ha West KHASI Hills District kum shi benta ban rakhe ya ka jingdap arposnem ka jing shakri jong kane ka society ukong san ha ka te ka jingalang ubalong u MLA ka Motion Road constituency uba Methodius Dakar Om tang bola ay ka jing kren Henry ulapen iru da kanuksa ka bakong san bha syapang ka jing ice ngau bha ya ka snam. UMLA ula sam ya ki lais pa tali ki tablet sya ki nong trei asha da ka jing tmu ban nang kampen bha shu shu ya ka kam bat ka jing trei jong ki ha ka kot ka khia.
Kibuan kita perkat balik sih kita kibalak ban ais nam kini tang kita kibas ngai ma ban kiksa kita biang ban hakiwei kita perkat ban ais nam ladang idan kamon ban ai lani baniran nila i banira pola dan right ko bai hot ki doktor kita ban check ya kita ka net ke joki kala an ban ya rabapin ais nam.
Kaseng Voice of the People Party kala dawa ya barok ki dikhot jongka District Council ha Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council baki dei ban hiarno nakashuki jongki hadien ba om shim lala ban wanra ya ki sen jam ban siu ya katulop badangsa jongki nongtrei ka JHADC ya kate jing dawa la bu hakmat daw organizing secretary jongka BPP oba dame wan hi rembai ha ka jing yakhi ba jarjar bat ka jing shong kalan mengor ha ka ba kila dawa ba dei ban pelat no ya katulop bala pensa menta la khandai banai jongki nongtrei ka council
lada ka sorkar kajinga lagi kejogi bangkerpan ya kala da kamsnga min se shong bat min se pernah de kiwepat ki program ki bat hamtenge nago beta ban penkongu ya sorkar kajingi de ban siudat ya kani ka sa kebadan sa kebade ka baitre jong kini kinongtre kajinga kalong ba nagaliang ka sorkar Council na polite ya kabha lagi kata ka share jong ka district council dengi nagalian jong ka Voice of the People Party kuntu i bagi la pernah ikut kubor bagi aipor ya kani ka JHDC hapo uli pernah praban penurong ya kani ka cinggawa ki jongi
Ka kinhon jong u Jagat Guru Shankaracharya Swami Avi Muktesh Waranan Saraswati Ji Maharaj kaba persya ya kajing shok do ya ki masi kelapen pau ya kajing temu ban wan biang sha Shillong bat don kajing ya kren bat kibriu kiba persya ya ka gau dwach stapna ha Shillong hadien ba om shem la yo ya kajing menjur ban hiar ka leng sun ha Shillong airport hinen kesngi hadien ba ka sarkar Meghalaya kala pha ya ka shithi sha ka airport authority of India mesngi tho ding bat kirpat ya ka ban om sha ya ka leng sun badon unong yalam kate ka kinhun ba yada ya ki masi ban hiar hakat leng sun ha umroi Hakajing etrei lang kinong shong shnong jong ka maulai kinton masar ka NSS cell jong ka Northeastern Hill University bat ka Public Health Engineering Department hinen kasngi kilaya mi lang ban penkhot ya ka wa so lang bat ya kishnong bamarjan I Dr. Marco Mitri ibalong irang ba shnong jong ka shnong maulai ilapen pau ya ka jingkong san jong ka wa da ka baong ba kani ka wa kalong ka telong umdi na kabenta ki babun ki shnong ha maulai ihana Liza Nongrum ibalong I program organizer jong ka NSS Nehu ila ka daw ba kani ka de ka sien jam ka baningkong ba ka NSS Nehu kanya shimbenta ha ka jingpen khu ya ka wa so lang
kani ka wa hangni hapo shnong kanton masama tumbangi baka de ka wa ka ba ai bam ID ya ka shnong hangni hapo mulai kanton sa TV kum ka unit kum ka ta ka service scheme ka bangi ni ai ki kena ki ai ki nok shnong ma ki wan ye shim betalang hangni banyi penpuj banya pen internet ban khanang bakan long ka ka bala banya bam ye di lang baro
Kumshi benta jong ka World Rabies Day arhajar arpusaw ka office jong ka District Medical Health Officer West KHASI Hills District haringkat ka jingetrei lang jong ka office jong ka Sub-Divisional Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Officer Mairang kila penlong ya ka program ITKA banjada na kajingpang biet kimrat ne ka anti-rabies vaccination na kabenta ki ksaw bat ki miaw ha Eastern West KHASI Hills District kablas dang na do ka arpulay tarik nailur Hakadi kasngi satjan balala kinong tray juga North East Council kila shimbenta kajing penkhut ya kamadan Shillong Gulf. Kani kajaka kalanang jabo kat nang mi kisngi namar kajing wan baman kapor jong kinong jengok kai perthei. Ya kani kajing penkhut la penlong lengba jong ka swachata hi seva abhiyan 8000 arpusau. Kumbashi spa san phongut ki briu kila shimbenta ha kani kajing penkhut. Henen kesngi ka West Jantia District kala penlong ya kejinga kop table tennis hak yang nangba stadium indoor stadium halat halabo. Ya kani kejinga kop la penlong kum kejing penkre na kabenta ka Limpong Meghalaya Games kaban salong haus nem 8000 arpusan. Halor kejing temu ban pen itu bat pen i ya ki sap jong ki nong elek kai ba pau khmat jong ka district. Hakani kejing elek kai le don lang i assistant director katanat sports and youth affairs i kru bok pasa Kumu Kongsan, u Presiden ka WJDTTA uba EMH Pasa, u Vice President ka WJDSA u Patrick Lamare, bat kiway, bat kila sami ki khusnam shikinong job, bala samru ya ka sornot sngongu, syakat sa ngut ki shenrang, bat lai ngut ki kentay. Mentapat nginyapet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun meneng ha Shillong. Kajing kriat kalong kat nyo point lai degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong arpaway point iway degree Celsius. Kajing sngam kahaw-haw kalong kandai pun rio na kashispa min step bat kandai po na kashispa jan miet. Kajing hap slap kalong 0.0 millimeters. Kala bandon kajing hap slap ka bamalu mala bat kajing tiet uperthat habun ki jaka. Shuaban po siya kabakut jong katup kubor inya pet biang sashi siya niya kimat bakongsan. Anwan rat sorkar di persyang badbu di kinong yalam kai na kabinta kinong wan jengok kai perthei niki tourist buddies ong umentri katanat jengok kai perthei uba Paul Lingdo. Kasorkar kadon kabinta kabakongsan hakaban penne pensa ya ka ong u Dr. Rajendra Singh. Mu kesorkar ban trade ratba ban ai kajing sumar kabala ban kot board da baro yakito kibayo yang jing pang bampong ong ka menteri ketenat ka kot kekia ikong ampri Lingdo. On top kesorkar ketenat kikam yadari ha Delhi kerpat ban ai jaka ban pen kendria yaki lai spa saupu arngut ki long ying. But the West Jantia District Table Tennis Association kelapan long ya ka table tennis competition hak yang nangba indoor stadium. Te parlok atong ila poy siya kabukod jong katup kubor jungi mentaka janmiet haduk bang inda syembiang bat pila syai kasngi kablay pi baro.
क्षेत्र की दूसरे से कनेक्टिविटी